Students taking the middle school journalism class, this is just a quick rundown of the expectation for this course. Looks like there's a total of around 65 activities, and this is from the beginning of the school year to the end of the school year. So you're going to get started. You're going to look at the syllabus. You have a course vocabulary. And then, and my screen might look, of course, different because this is the kind of what I see versus what you see version. All right, so your big idea is what is journalism? And your unit one is just an introduction. So different from what you're used to with your course subjects where you're going to do lessons, you're going to do a mastery test, and then you're going to do a post test. Instead, what this particular course does is you have unit one, and then you have lessons embedded within. You're going to listen to a podcast, and then you'll have flashcards and then a quiz. Okay. So each one of your lessons are tailored that way. Unit two, analyzing media. So you'll work on each of the lessons. So I'm going to pop open a lesson here, spinning the story. All right, this particular one, you can see they're very short. You're going to kind of keep up with, I always tell students, make sure when you're reading, you're paying attention to those big ideas that are in there. Authors put things, embed heavy content, the big ideas into quotation marks, bold print, italics, this captions with pictures, they're giving you the big ideas. And so as you read, you're wanting to kind of pull these things out. So anything that's asking you a question specifically, these are going to be those big summary ideas that they're wanting you to kind of pull and glean. So my advice to you is this: as you go throughout these particular lessons, write the headline, and then go through and see if you're finding, this big topic question, see if it's pulling it back to that main idea there. So as you're taking notes, make sure you're pulling that information into there. And then, as you get to the end of the unit, you've got your quiz that you're going to take. It looks like by the end of the month, you will have taken 2 units. So quizzes. So you're going to do lessons and quizzes, lessons and quizzes, lessons and quizzes. And then unit 4 gets you through, looks like October. And then what's the scoop? So you're really just taking a deep dive into what journalism kind of looks like. You're learning that vocabulary. You're getting a big understanding kind of what it is overall versus kind of like digging in and writing stories. So midterm for you will be your semester exam. And so, midterm for you is going to be around Christmas here. So we'll do that, and then that'll kind of put you your grade, what you'll take for your report card. And then we'll jump, you can keep working, of course, because it's already made available for you. And so then, you'll end up the school year. Again, it's the same format. You can work ahead, just don't get behind. And, we'll end with Unit 10 here with the history of journalism, and you'll have a final exam. So we'll end this course a little early. You'll, around the 1st of May. And just keep yourself paced, ask questions along the way. And this is a very self-paced course for you, and ask questions. Thanks.